sklearn metrics homogeneity completeness we measure. Description. Inputs. Labels true. This is the true class labels for the data. As a 1D array of integers. Each integer represents a distinct class. Label spread. This is the predicted cluster labels for the data. As a 1D array of integers. Each integer represents a distinct cluster. Homogeneity score. This value indicates how much each cluster contains only members of a single class. A score of 1 indicates that each cluster corresponds perfectly to a single class. Completeness score. This value indicates how much all members of a given class are assigned to the same cluster. A score of 1 indicates that all members of a given class are assigned to the same cluster. We measure score. This is the harmonic mean of the homogeneity and completeness scores. It represents a balance between the two scores. A score of 1 indicates that both homogeneity and completeness are perfect. Steps. Calculate homogeneity. This measures the extent to which clusters contain only data points from a single class. Calculate completeness. This measures the extent to which all data points from a single class are assigned to the same cluster. Calculate we measure. This is the harmonic mean of homogeneity and completeness, providing a balanced evaluation of the clustering. Metrics. Homogeneity score measures how well each cluster contains members of a single class. Completeness score measures how well all members of a given class are assigned to the same cluster. We measure score, a balanced measure of homogeneity and completeness. Visualization plots. Confusion matrix. A matrix visualization that displays the relationship between true and predicted labels, highlighting the performance of the clustering. Dendrogram. A hierarchical tree visualization that illustrates the relationships between clusters based on their similarity. None. The homogeneity completeness we measure function does not have tunable parameters. None. There are no specific uncertainty methods associated with homogeneity completeness we measure. Challenge 1. Unbalanced class sizes. When classes have very different numbers of instances, the homogeneity and completeness scores may be biased towards the larger classes. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. Clustering a dataset where one class contains 90 of the data and the remaining classes have only 10. Fixes to challenge 1. Consider using alternative clustering algorithms that are less sensitive to class imbalance. Use a weighted version of the metrics that takes into account the class sizes. Challenge 2. Overlapping clusters. When clusters overlap significantly, the homogeneity and completeness scores may be lower, even if the clustering is good. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. Clustering a dataset with overlapping features or where data points belong to multiple classes. Fixes to challenge 2. Use a clustering algorithm that is better suited for handling overlapping data, such as density-based clustering or mixture models. Experiment with different parameter settings for the clustering algorithm to find the optimal settings for the data.